Hi everyone, my name is Dayna. I'm the Buena Vista Branch Manager with Monterey County Free Libraries, and welcome back to STEAM Time. Today we're going to be talking about gravity. Have you ever heard the expression, what goes up must come down? Today we're going to do an experiment that tests that theory. So stay tuned and let's get started. So before we get into our first experiment, let's talk a little bit about what gravity actually is. Gravity is a really useful force, and it's the force that's keeping you and I on the ground right now. Gravity is actually the force that keeps everything on Earth. It also is the force that helps the Earth and all the planets revolve around the sun. So think about it this way. Without gravity, everything would just float off into space, kind of like a helium balloon when you accidentally let it go. So, gravity is dependent on the mass of an object. The greater the mass, the greater the force of gravity is going to be. So let's do a simple experiment to test this theory. Are we ready? We're going to do some jumping. On the count of 3, jump as high as you can, and then note what happens when you jump. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and jump. And we're back. Now think about this. What happened when we jumped? Did we float off into space? No, but why not? What pulled us back down to the ground? Take a guess. That's right, it was gravity. Gravity pulled us downwards and kept us on the ground. So let's go ahead and jump into our first experiment called Defying Gravity. So we are going to get started with our experiment today, and it is called Defying Gravity. And for this one, you're only going to need a few things, some of which you may even have laying around your house. So the first thing you're going to need is a pencil, any type of tape. It could be packing tape, masking tape, scotch tape, anything you have handy. You're going to need a popsicle stick or craft stick. And then you are going to want 2 clothespins. It can be this kind, it can be the plastic ones, whatever you may have laying around. I know Dollar Tree also sells clothespins. You get a large pack for $1. So this entire experiment is really cheap to do. Okay, so let's get started. What we're going to do first is we're going to test gravity with just our popsicle stick. So we're going to try to get it to stand upright on our pencil. So let's take a look and see what happens when we try to balance it. It doesn't want to stay upright, does it? No, it wants to fall off. Let's try it one more time. It just falls right to the floor. And that's because of its center of gravity. The center of gravity for the popsicle stick is up relatively high, so it's not balancing. So what we are going to do with our experiment is we're going to change the center of gravity of our popsicle stick. So we're going to make a contraption today that looks like this. It looks like a little upside down person. We're just going to be wrapping the pipe cleaner around our popsicle stick, and then we're going to add clothespins to each of the ends to help weight it down and help pull that center of gravity downwards towards the head of our popsicle stick. And by doing this, let's see if we can get it to balance on the end of our pencil. So this is relatively easy to make. Let me show you how you do it. You're going to take your pipe cleaner, you can lay it down on your table, and you're going to want to find the center of it. And then once you have your center, you're going to place your popsicle stick, leaving a little room for the head. And then you're just going to wrap an arm around once, wrap it around twice, and you're going to have something that looks like this. After you have that, you're going to want to bend the arms so they point downwards like this. And let's see if this would work without adding the weights to the end. Let's try it and see what happens. Nope, same thing. It falls right off. So let's try adding our clothespins to add some weight to the ends. Okay. So you should wind up with something that looks like this. Okay? So let's try it. I actually made 2 of them. I have a blue one as well. So on the count of 3, let's try to see if we can balance our little contraption on the end of our pencil, and let's try defying gravity with this now. Are we ready? If we did it correctly and shifted the center of gravity downwards, it should balance on the end. Let's try. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3. It worked. It's balancing. Let's try that one more time. Let's pick it back up. Okay, and I'm going to try it towards the end of the pencil, and that's a good tip. You can try moving it in different spots to see if that changes anything at all. That's the great thing about science. We can always try new things. Are we ready? Okay. And it's balancing. Yay! We just defied gravity with our new contraption. Good job, guys. Thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you had fun testing out our theories of gravity with our Defying Gravity experiment. So feel free, play around with the contraptions that you created. Try using different kinds of pencils, different surfaces. You can try adding more weight to the ends by adding more clothespins. You can even try adding more pipe cleaner, making the arms longer or shorter. That's what we do in science, is we test different theories to see how they work. So thank you so much for joining me today for STEAM time and helping me figure out the age-old saying of what goes up must come down. I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye, everyone.